Texas, where the local time is 8:10. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes. The use of cell phones and two-way pagers is now permitted. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please make sure to check around your seating area and see pockets and overhead bins for all belongings that you have brought on board. Please take care when opening overhead bins as contents may have shifted during flight. Once inside the terminal building, connecting gate information can be found by airport monitors or a Continental representative meeting this flight. Also, for those passengers unfamiliar with our facilities in Houston, there is a map of the airport located in the Continental magazine, which is in your seat pocket and complimentary for you to take with you. On behalf of Continental, our SkyTeam partners, and your entire Newark-based in-flight crew, we do thank you for choosing to fly with us this morning. Have a great day and a wonderful and safe holiday weekend.